Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. Now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting on pay for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate I faded. You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking. Not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. You want me back, baby? Then take me back, baby, baby. Only wanna turn me on and turn me out. Thinking about it now. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Make me leap of faith, 'cause we so brave to turn around. Give another go. Drive me crazy, drive me insane, drive me wild. Baby, hindsight is 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby. You've been so patient. So patient. I kept you waiting. Want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why.
Hey my minkies, I couldn't wait to try these lemon pepper barbecue tacos. Oh my gosh, these street tacos, baby. Oh my goodness, like I already took a bite. Let me tell you, it's already good. Just make sure that you squeeze you a little bit of, oh, look at all that cheese. Squeeze you a little bit of lime on top of that. It's so good. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so good. So good. Y'all have to try this. Oh my gosh. I've never made this like this before. I love it. And the flavors. Guys, if you haven't already, please go and subscribe to my channel so y'all can see more recipes, because I know y'all don't want to miss no more recipes, because I'm coming out with the recipes. Now, I don't know if this video will be out on Taco Tuesday or it's going to be out on Wednesday. Whichever one, it don't matter. It's still food. It's still a meal. People eat tacos, whether it's on Tuesdays, on Wednesdays, whatever. But y'all need to try these tacos. Share for the world to see, guys. Let me know if you decide to try them. They are so good. Like, oh my gosh, they're so good. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to eat these tacos. Bye bye, my minkies.